Hello, and welcome to the Advist Group's Project Management video series. In today's video, we'd like to start with a second video to the project team. That is why we are going to focus on the topics. What is a high-performance team and which collaboration forms we have? High-performance teams are characterized by their exceptional effectiveness and efficiency, which goes far beyond the performance of the average workgroup. They work together on clearly defined, inspiring goals that are shared and supported by all members. A key feature of high-performance teams is the high level of trust and respect that exists between members. This trust enables open and honest communication in which opinions and ideas can be freely exchanged. A characteristic of these teams is the often small number of people with clear roles to be distributed. In addition, these people complement each other with their skills and experience and promote innovation and creativity. After all, high-performance teams also pursue a common goal, which is accompanied by supportive and motivating leadership, which also moderates conflicts. By working together at all levels, these teams often achieve extraordinary results that are not only of high quality. Next, let's take a look at possible forms of cooperation. First, let's talk about the working group. They exchange information and make decisions that are important for their next steps. In most cases, the processes are more individual and variable depending on the task. Next, the least possible collaboration comes to light, the pseudo-team. In this form of cooperation, you are not focused on one goal together and tend to avoid cooperation in the team. Often these team differences also result from failed work groups. The next option is a potential team. This usually tries to enable additional successes, but the end product or the goal to be achieved is unclear and there is no common approach to achieve it. The best form of cooperation is a so-called high-performance team, in which all members are committed to the personal development and success of all persons with the highest level of input. Communication is regular, open, and trusting. This has the highest chance of achieving the goals. In which teams do you work? Tell us. Team development describes the process that teams go through to work together efficiently and harmoniously. The model by Bruce Tuckman, 1965, is one of the best known and divides the development into 5 phases. The team development phases, according to Tuckman, describe the development process of a team in 5 stages. Each phase brings specific challenges that need to be overcome in order to form an effective and high-performing team. In the first phase, forming, the orientation phase, the team members get to know each other. There is uncertainty about roles, tasks, and goals. Communication is often polite and low-key as the team moves toward common ground. In this phase, it is important to set clear goals and create an atmosphere of trust. The second phase, storming, the conflict phase, is characterized by disagreements and conflicts. Different work styles, expectations, and personalities lead to tensions. Power struggles or ambiguities about responsibilities can occur. Here, it is crucial to productively moderate conflicts and establish clear structures and roles. In the third phase, norming, the team begins to work together more effectively. Common values, norms, and structures emerge that strengthen cohesion. Trust and mutual support are increasing. Measures such as setting team rules and regular feedback promote progress in this phase. The fourth phase, performing, marks the culmination of team development. The team works efficiently, purposefully, and independently. Communication is open and trusting, and team members support each other. Innovation and creativity can fully unfold. In this phase, the focus is on maintaining and continuously improving the team's performance. The final phase, adjourning, occurs when the project is over or the team disbands. The focus is on reflection and appreciation of the joint work. A conscious design of the farewell and the securing of learning experiences help team members to go into new tasks strengthened. Knowledge of these phases enables managers to support teams in a targeted manner, overcome challenges, and continuously increase their performance. We have reached the end of the video, in which we have heard something about a high-performance team and collaboration forms. Thank you for checking out the content. We look forward to welcoming you back in our next video.